Agnimitra Paul, who's the BJP MLA and also now a Member of Parliament candidate from Midnapur, got involved in a heated altercation with an officer of the state police over filing a complaint against Mamata Banerjee. Agnimitra Paul visited the Kotwali police station and to file a complaint against Mamata Banerjee, alleging she's trying to incite violence through her speech. Now, as per Paul, her complaint was not taken.
আজকে যদি একজন বিধায়িকা একজন ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির লোকসভার প্রার্থীর সাথে এটা হয় তাহলে আপনারা বুঝতে পারছেন যে পশ্চিমবঙ্গের গ্রামের গরিব মানুষের সাথে কি হয়। আজকে আইসি বলছেন মিস্টার মহাপাত্র উনি কোন পুলিশের কোন নিয়ম পড়েছে জানি না, উনি বলেছেন প্লেস অফ অকারেন্স কোথায় ঘটনার। আমি বললাম কুচবিহার। বললো জানেন না যে পুলিশের আইপিসির নিয়মে নাকি অন্য থানা থেকে করা যায় না। আমি দেখুন সাধারণ মানুষ, নুপুর শর্মার যখন ঘটনা হয়েছিল তখন সারা পশ্চিমবঙ্গে বিভিন্ন থানা থেকে নুপুর শর্মার নামে কেস করা হয়েছিল তো তখন হয়েছিল। কিন্তু এখন মুখ্যমন্ত্রী যদি বলেন হিন্দুরা রামনবমীর মিছিল থেকে দাঙ্গা বাঁধাবার চেষ্টা করছে, তাহলে মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর নামে এফআইআর হবে না কেন?
I want to bring in Indrajit Kundu for the latest on that. Indrajit, clearly the Bharatiya Janata Party is escalating. Barely 24 hours to go now for the first phase of Lok Sabha elections. And it is in Bengal where a lot of heated exchanges are being seen.
Well, absolutely, Paul. Pooja, there's no doubt about the fact that, the Bharatiya Janata Party, of course, upping the ante right now. As you said, tomorrow is the first phase of elections. The big, Lok Sabha election begins tomorrow. Agnimitra Paul, of course, upping the ante, raising charges against Mamata Banerjee because she went to a police station, the Kotwali police station in West Midnapur district, to file an FIR against the West Bengal Chief Minister. She's claiming that the complaint wasn't taken, and she's saying that the police stopped her, saying that Mamata Banerjee's she was complaining against Mamata Banerjee's provocative speech. She's saying that what the Chief Minister said in North Bengal during campaign rally, that the BJP was trying to incite violence, is somewhat of a provocation, and therefore she wanted to file the complaint. This happened yesterday. And she says that the police told her that the complaint cannot be filed in Midnapur because the place of occurrence was in Coochbehar district. Then she cited the reason that why cases across Bengal were filed against Nupur Sharma for her controversial remark a few years back, while she had not made those comments in West Bengal. So she is saying that this is double standard of the West Bengal police. But clearly this is more of a political posturing ahead of the first phase of elections. Agnimitra Paul, of course, is a BJP MLA. She has been given the ticket from Midnapur, Lok Sabha constituency, which is the erstwhile seat of former Bengal BJP President Dilip Ghosh. She has emerged as some sort of a firebrand leader who's trying to enthuse her cadres with an attempt to file an FIR against Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Indrajit Kundu, telling us all about what unfolded in Bengal. Now, as per police, she was asked to wait till the officer in charge arrived. Her complaint against Mamata Banerjee, we are told later, was received. But all this while you see what happened in Medinipur with the scuffle breaking out and Paul literally sitting on the ground, and others you can see from the BJP so agitated against the officer.
আমি তো বলছি